standard science subject in lesson 3 atmosphere. Already I discussed about introduction about atmosphere. In this video we will learn about layers of atmosphere. Atmosphere is divided into different layers. The layers from the bottom upwards are called, the first one troposphere, second one stratosphere, third one mesosphere, fourth one thermosphere, then last one exosphere. In this video we will learn about stratosphere and mesosphere. The layer of atmosphere, the layer of gases surrounding the earth. The atmosphere is composed mainly by nitrogen and oxygen. 98% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen and 1% of other gases. Other gases, for example argon, are called trace gases. They play an insignificant role in the atmosphere. Atmosphere is divided into 5 different layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Stratosphere is the second layer of the atmosphere. Ozone layer that shields us from harmful radiation from the sun. The temperature increases as you go up through the atmosphere. The temperature is 27 degrees Fahrenheit. The stratosphere goes from 16 km to 50 km. The temperature goes up with altitude. Most jets fly in this layer. The protective ozone is at the top of the stratosphere. It protects us from the ultraviolet radiation of the sun. Rivers of air, called jet streams, can be found at the face of the layer. Similar in composition to troposphere except 1000 times less than water vapor. Second one, ozone 1000 times greater. Third one, it keeps out 99% of sun's harmful radiation, that is natural sunscreen. Stratosphere extends from the top of the troposphere to about 50 km above the ground. Ozone layer found in this layer absorbs harmful ultraviolet rays which can cause damage to our skin and eyes. There is no water vapor in this layer. The temperature in this layer is around minus 550 Celsius. Once again, the stratosphere is the second layer of the atmosphere, above the troposphere, ranging from about 20 km to 50 km altitude. The density declines in the layer from 100 gram by meter cube to gram per meter cube. The temperature remains constant at the lower layer of the stratosphere and then rises with increasing altitude. At the top of the stratosphere, the thin air may reach temperature close to 0 degrees Celsius. Ozone layer lies in the stratosphere. The third layer is mesosphere. The region above the stratosphere is called the mesosphere. It extends upward to a height of about 85 km from the ground. The temperature in this layer decreases with height and it is minus 1100 degrees Celsius. Most of the meteors found in the sky burn in this layer. Most of the meteors found in the sky burn in this layer. Meso means middle. Meso means middle. Meteor showers happens in this layer. An altitude increases, the temperature decreases to minus 90 degrees Celsius. The mesosphere is located directly above the stratosphere. This is where meteors and comets are destroyed. Coldest layer. It is a coldest layer. Once again, in the mesosphere, 50 to 90 km above the earth, the temperature begins to decrease to minus 100 degrees Celsius. The upper region is the coldest. If water vapor is present, thin clouds of ice form noctilucent. The mesosphere protects the earth from meteors. When they reach the mesosphere, they burn up from the friction of rubbing against the particles of gas. Okay students, today's topic stratosphere and mesosphere. I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening students.